that's him. That's him. Need some help? You sure? You don't got it. Going in the trees. Oh shit. That's him. Got it on video. Whoa! It's a big one. It's a nice one. Yeah. It's a good one. Stop. Oh! His head shaking. It's a big one. Yeah, it's a dark one, but it's a real big one. Yeah. He's taking a lot of drag. Oh, a fish rolled right there in the hole. Huh? You alright? Nah, dude. Damn near had a heart attack when he grabbed it. He's getting pretty close here. He's getting pretty close here. He's not putting up much of a fight now. He made one big long run. It's a sign of a dark fish. Oh, he's keeping his head down. Dude, all of a sudden it was just, I didn't even feel like a grab. It just stopped. Look.
Oh, he's there.
Oh, that's him. That's him. Look at my rod, dude. He's not wanting to keep his head up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's going over in the shallows. That won't help you here, fish. Oh, God. God damn, he does not want to keep his head up, dude. Look at my rod. Toe to toe now. Fuck, man, I feel like I'm hung up. No, I'm not, but it feels like it. He just doesn't want to keep his head up. Your dad said that was so funny. God, come here, fish. Ooh. It's like that halibut when they release from the bottom. Ooh, here he comes. He's taking drag still. Wow, man, this fish does not want to keep his head up. I'm not horsing him. He's doing as he may right now. We'll find out. He's good. He's a good fish. Yeah, he jumped back there. You can never tell. You can't tell these things. Oh, he's an 80, obviously. My rod's bent pretty damn good. I don't know. Where's that bow at? I'm thumbing him now. Oh.
They got that rotten mouth.
He's a darker fish. He jumped back there. I was like, oh man, he's dark. I'm not getting anything on this fish. He's just sitting in the current. I think it's the speed of the current that's effing it up. coming now. Oh, did you put the drift on a little bit? Yeah, I felt it. Ooh! Sam? See my flatfish? Oh, look. He's hooked. He's hooked. Got hooks in him right now. Do in fact have hooks in the fish. He didn't hit it hard. He hit it like a pussy fish. Yeah. Yeah, he's not coming out of that current. Oh, it just stops. Like I go to raise it up and it just stops. He's somewhere. Maybe it's just this little rod. But he jumped back there and he looked big. Oh. Holy cow. There's his brother. Sam? He's a flatfish. Is he a good one? It's dark, dude. Oh, he's giving up. Oh! Oh! I had to bow to him when he rolled back there. Sam? Oh, here he comes, coming up. Ooh, it's a nice one. He's a super dark fish. Oh! Oh shit, I got striper drag going. Actually, I got like when you want a bluegill to. Oh, switch direction. Going back out in the middle. Look at him. Big old bright African lesbian in his mouth.